ajax, which stands for asynchronous JavaScript, and XML, is a web development technique used to create faster and more interactive web applications. It allows web pages to send and receive data from a server asynchronously, that is, without needing to reload the entire page. This improves user experience by enabling parts of a web page to update dynamically, such as refreshing a news feed, submitting forms, or displaying live search suggestions, all without interrupting the user's interaction with the page. Instead of using XML as originally intended, most modern applications now use JSON to exchange data due to its simplicity and efficiency. For example, imagine a search bar that shows suggestions as you type. This is often powered by Ajax. Here's a simple example using the Fetch API, which is a modern way to make Ajax requests. In this code, the browser sends a request to the server with a search query, example, receives a JSON response, and then updates the page with the results, all without refreshing the page. This seamless interaction is what makes Ajax a key component of modern web applications.